Hey everybody, it's Brenda, your Queen Bee of RVs, coming to you from the National RV Training Academy with the next round of our series, Decoding RVNEs. Last time we covered a few introductory terms to the towing experience, the hitch, the receiver, the coupler, and the 7-pin connector. Let's keep this theme going and look at some of the towing features that make the ride safer and smoother. You may have heard about the breakaway switch, and it's not only an important safety feature of your towable, in most states it's absolutely required by law. This safety device includes a cable that is connected between the RV and the tow vehicle, and it's designed to engage the trailer brakes to slow and eventually stop the trailer in the event that they become detached during transit. The safety chains are another important part of the travel trailer towing checklist, and as the name implies, it's a safety feature. It might not seem like much, however, it's also required in most states. The chains are connected between the travel trailer tongue and the tow vehicle. A weight distribution hitch is also used for travel trailers, and its purpose is to prevent too much of your trailer's weight from collecting at that trailer tongue or on the rear of the RV axle and transfers the weight toward the front of the tow vehicle. When installed correctly, this will make for a smoother, more stable ride, easier steering, and extends the life of your tires. So what are sway bars? Whether you are a veteran or new to towing, avoiding sway is high on your list. Looking in that rearview mirror and seeing that side-to-side motion of the trailer can instill fear in the heart of any RVer. Sway bars can also be installed on the trailer tongue to minimize this effect. Good news, fifth wheelers, you do not need a weight distribution hitch or sway bars. I learned all of this and more at the National RV Training Academy, where I became a certified RV inspector and registered technician, and you can too. Head over to nrvta.com and click on programs to find out more.